Bullish Cardano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.61 and $3.03 by 2030. Market experts accept ADA could reach $1.25 by 2025. Bearish Cardano market cost expectation for 2023 is 28 cents. Cardano presentation. The digital currency market is duplicating constantly. In any case, staying aware of this high-speed industry is definitely not a simple errand. Consequently, numerous financial backers and brokers who need to exploit the market to create critical gains are drawn to Cardano. Keep close by for an exhaustive clarification of how Cardano cost expectation functions, its specialized examination, and what's in store for Cardano on the off chance that you're attempting to enter the Cardano exchanging market. However, remember that assuming you want long-haul achievement and benefits, exchanging digital currencies is a constant undertaking that calls for both tolerance and exploration. We should plunge profound into the blog entry to comprehend whether this coin checks out for you. What is Cardano? Cardano, frequently known as the potential Ethereum executioner, stands high in the crypto market with secure blockchain innovation, progressive savvy agreements, and application cases. Cardano, which exchanges under the image ADA, was presented by Charles Hoskinson and utilized a proof-of-stake system, in which holders of the money are accused of checking exchanges as a trade-off for a prize. The top cryptographic money trades permit you to take part in marking with no cost, making it an engaging choice to create pay. Cardano's emphasis on peer-assessed information and proof-based approaches in its improvement separates it from other cryptographic forms of money. Most of the digital money market goes quick, yet Cardano swings the alternate way. It moves all the more leisurely and purposefully. The benefit is that it improves engineers' probability of recognizing expected chances. Basic investigation. Cardano's particular offer is its undeniable strength. They aren't intending to catch the whole market for savvy contracts and dApps. All things being equal, they focus on building a functional decentralized monetary area for the creating scene. The Cardano settlement layer and Cardano calculation layer arrangement keep up with everything coordinated and adaptable concerning innovation. The Cardano group has held the record part of the blockchain unmistakable from the process part of the blockchain because of their obligation to straightforwardness. Also, Cardano pushes out around 700 commitments each week and arrives at roughly 100 and 150 designers reliably dealing with the undertaking. Because of these huge quantities of designers, the coin is probably going to overwhelm Ethereum in market strength and is the most effectively evolved blockchain project. Cardano is at present worth 35 cents USD. ADA has moved 2.31% as of now with an exchanging volume of $940,500,363. Cardano is at present position 7 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $12,695,190,114 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Cardano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Cardano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. Cardano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ADA cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 53 cents. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 49 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headway. ADA is supposed to have a base worth of 42 cents. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Cardano ADA cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ADA will before long outperform 89 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ADA's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ADA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 71 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 78 cents. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $1.25 and ADA might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ADA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.14 and a low of $1.07 in 2025. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Cardano effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, The ADA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ADA will be green in 2026. The ADA is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.60, with a base cost of $1.43 and a typical cost of $1.50. Cardano value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ADA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.85 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.78 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ADA has a greatest value worth of $1.96. Cardano value expectation 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.21. On the off chance that ADA figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.32. Neglecting to assemble the help ADA needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2.14. Cardano value forecast 2029. While ADA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.50 and a yearly cost close above $2.67 in 2029. Cardano value expectation 2030. By 2030, Cardano will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $2.85 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.03, averaging out at $2.92. Cardano value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Bitcoin wisdom makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ADA cost in 2031 is projected to be $3.50 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.35. And Cardano may not encounter a moment blast, but rather it can possibly keep rivaling the best cryptographic forms of money. Cardano's innovation and future endeavors are energizing by their own doing, as are other beneficial cryptographic money choices. Thus, while you probably shouldn't rush out and purchase your ADA today, it's valuable on your radar as innovation develops. Keep in mind, it's not possible for anyone to ensure benefit when you are exchanging a cryptographic money, so it's smarter to explore than to lament. What is the Cardano cost today? Today, Cardano is exchanging at 35 cents with a complete market capitalization of $12,695,190,114. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is savvy to say that ADA is a decent decision of speculation. How high could Cardano at any point go? The typical cost of Cardano might potentially